You've got a great playground already. Maybe you're planning a new one. Either way, you want to make it a community destination, a place to play longer, stay longer. Many outdoor recreation spaces start with a commercial play structure, a centerpiece. But we have a ton of ways to upgrade your existing or planned play area with freestanding equipment like swings, spinners, and climbers. Or make your space more inviting with side amenities, everything from outdoor furniture to trash receptacles. Let's start with spinners. The list of possibilities can make you, or in this case Hudson, dizzy, like this Whizzy Dizzy.
Too fast!
Hudson hops on the Lotus Spinner for more fun, and it encourages adults to participate in the play and exercise, a win-win as you spin. Climbers offer more options, challenges, and total body workouts. Here's one, the Cyclone Challenger. And the Craggy Climber is a great addition to any main structure. Just look at what it adds to your playground. Poseidon's Hideout gives a climbing experience and is also ADA accessible. On the inside, it gives children a quiet, sheltered place to relax, recharge, and go play again. Side amenities can start with the simplest of things. Trash receptacles come in many designs, materials, and colors. They're not only convenient for people in the play area, they help keep your space clean and encourage others to do the same. It can teach children healthy and helpful habits and responsibilities. Have a seat, take a load off, stay a while. Benches and seating come in all shapes, materials, and colors. Picnic tables help increase the comfort and foot traffic. Snack time, a meal, or parties, they offer more reasons to come to play and stay. Shades and shelters can make your playground even more of a destination. Again, it's about access and comfort. In the bright sun or a little rain, side amenities like this can help finish off or add to your playground experience. New equipment can mean new excitement and foot traffic, two-legged or four. Yes, even places for pups to play can encourage children and adults to play longer, stay longer. After all, that's what we're about, you're about.